We are pleased to show you the 2019 TT RS. The Audi TT RS Coupe has taken a significant step forward when it comes to design and power. Fixed rear wings and drive mode selector switches are just some of the features that vehicle has to offer, and is priced below $75,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control magnetic, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, traction control, stability control, power brakes, ambient lighting, braking assist, rear view camera. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.